Making money online is great, but what's even better is making passive income online. That's why having a digital product to sell is probably one of the best way to make money online. And if you want to get started on selling a digital product, I would highly recommend to start with an ebook. So in this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating and selling an ebook. And today we'll be creating an ebook together using Bookbolt. This software makes it super easy to create a digital product, so you can start making over $1,000 per month even if you have 0 followers. Before we even get started with the process of creating the ebook, you want to pick a profitable niche. And I said this is super important because you want to make sure that you create something that people actually want. This will make a huge difference with the selling process because the last thing you want is spending hours on creating a digital product that people don't even want to buy. So today we're gonna start by creating a low content books. And if you don't know what a low content books is, it's basically like planners, journals, or notebook. First, we can go to Bookbolt. First thing you want to do is go to Cloud. And then over here, you can even choose the category of low content book that you want to create. So over here, I'm just going to choose journal. And then we can even pick the top 100 bestseller. And you want to make sure that you choose a low BSR. And you can also choose the price range. You can also enter any keywords that you have. But here I'm just going to leave it blank so we can see what niche are performing well with an ebook. So here the first thing that you want to check is the BSR and also the monthly sales. So let's take a look at the first one. This one has 51 BSR, which is really good, and estimated monthly sales of 885. And the price of this one journal is $11.95, which means this book is generating over $10,000 per month. So let's click on it and let's try to create something similar to this because we know that this type of books are performing really well. So what we're gonna do after we've done our research is go to create. I'm just gonna name it journal. And what's great about it is it already has the outline that we can use. So let's start by creating the cover. And here they have several fonts that you can choose from. So once you find some forms that you like, you can also just like it. And then it will be saved on the like section, so you can come back and use the same font. And you can also use your creativity and play with it if you want to add more stuff like shapes. You don't have to be an expert on graphic design to design a cover because Bookbolt gives you tons of choices that you can use. Okay, now we're gonna move into the interior side. Let's take a look. How do they design this book? Okay, obviously the first page usually is where you can put your name. Here I'm gonna start with creating the border. Also, if you want to make sure that the background is not moving, you can also just select it from here. So one of my favorite thing is you can go to the template library. Here they have tons of template that you can easily use, so you don't have to create your own template. They have something simple from just like lines, blank page, dots, even some puzzle words, trackers, basically anything you can think of. But let's say I want to create something like this. And then you can also choose on which page do you want to put the same template. So I'm just gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can also choose the space between lines and also the line width. You can even customize the line color. So I'm gonna choose this color to make it look more unique. Obviously, after this, you can just like create the prompt over here. You can write whatever you want. You can do the research beforehand so you know what exactly do you want to put in the journal. So obviously here, I'm not gonna finish the entire journal because this video will be too long. But let's say we save this page. I'm gonna show you how to export your design. So here you wanna click download current project on ebook form because we specifically wanna sell it as a digital product. So now we have this folder of all of the PDF files of the cover and also the books itself. Once you have the PDF format, you might be wondering where can you market and also sell your product. I'm gonna share two ways over here. If you already have an existing audience, then selling directly from your social media platform is a great option. For example, on my Instagram and YouTube channel, I talk a lot about how to do brand collaboration while traveling and how to get started as a digital nomad for people who want to find remote work and pretty much work and travel at the same time. I put the link of both of my ebooks on my social media platforms, which you can also find in the description box below. But with this method, you basically want to upload the downloadable PDF and upload it on website like Gumroad, Payhip, or StanStore. When you're doing this, most of the product will sell if you're selling a digital product that's on the same niche. So for example, with the journal that we just created, if you're someone who are into mental health and also self-improvement, it will make a total sense to list it on your social media. But let's say you create a product that have a high potential of selling, but it's not really on your niche and you don't want to post it on your social media, then you can also use Amazon KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing to sell these products. This is great because you literally don't have to deal with any marketing aspect. You basically let Amazon take care of the printing, shipping, and also customer service. So I'm not the right person to show you how to do Amazon KDP, but if you want to learn more about KDP, then you can watch this video that will show you how to upload and also succeed on KDP. I will also leave the link down below so you can watch it after this. Now, how about marketing it on your own platforms? You need to create a content that talks about this product. To sell this product, your audience need to know that this product exists. And it could be a reels of how this journal or how the information in the guidebook helps you solve the problem that your existing audience want to solve. So that's it. In less than 24 hours, you just create it and now you have your own ebook. Trust me, the hardest part is taking the first step itself. And it is a great source for making a passive income online because with this type of ebook, you can just create it once and it will keep generating income even when you're sleeping. If you want to start creating a low content book and start making money online, you can check out Bookbolt. I will leave the link in the description box below. And if you click on my link, you will get 20% off so you can start right away. So let me know what type of ebook you would love to create. And that's it for this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!